Good morning everyone. My name is Hazel Rose. I am a KG student. Today I am going to show how to make yummy, healthy carrot ladoo. That too without fire. Yes, you heard it right. To make the carrot ladoo, we need 1 cup grated carrot, half cup of dry fruits, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of ghee, 3 teaspoons of milk powder and some cashews. First take a big bowl and put the grated carrots into it. To this we add dry fruits, little sugar, cardamom powder, and ghee. Mix them gently. Now you can see some water coming out of the carrots. To this we add some milk powder to bind them together. Now to bind them together. Now make them into round balls gently so that it will not break. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and the dry fruits are a great source of protein. Now I place a cashew on top of it. Yummy, healthy carrot ladoo is ready. Let me try it. Mmm.